Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I will going to share to you saan nga ba natin makikita ang mga unsent messages without using any app or installing any app on our cell phone. So sa mga nakafollow po sa aking YouTube channel, marami po akong tutorials doon regarding sa mga unsent messages na kung saan nag-i-install tayo ng mga app in which yung ginagamit natin para monitor natin or doon papasok lahat ng notifications ng mga nag-unsent ng mga messages sa atin. But for now, ituturo ko ngayon ang other way kung paano natin makikita yung mga unsent messages without using any app or installing any app in our cell phone. Without further ado, let's start. Pumunta lang kayo sa inyong settings. So this is the settings of a Samsung Galaxy A14. Iba-iba ang actual format ng settings ng different kind of phones. So, sa Samsung Galaxy A14, ganito ang itsura niya. So, pumunta lang kayo sa inyong notifications and then click the app notification. In this area, you are going to choose which kind of app you are going to allow to send you a notification. So, ang target natin dito is ang ating messenger or kung saan nakalagin yung ating account or yung account na gusto nating makita kung sino yung mga nag-unsend sa atin ng mga messages. Of course, we have to click this messenger on. I-on natin. Pag ganito kasi naka-off na siya. So, pag nag-blue yan na colored is, ibig sabihin naka-on. And then my messenger light is on. We are going to try this later on if this gonna work sa account ng partner ko at sa account ko mismo. So, his account is in messenger light and my account is in messenger. And after that, please go back and then go to advanced settings and click this notification history. You have to turn this on. And now we are going to try if this is gonna work. Now I'm going to send a message to his account and we are going to unsend it. Okay. So, antayin lang natin and then let's remove this and send. And done. So now, let's check if na-unsent talaga doon sa kanyang account. Pumasok doon na naka-unsent. Okay. So, naka-unsent. Naka-unsent na yung message natin na yung sinend natin kanina. So, I chatted hi. Now, we're going back to our settings and let's check if pumasok doon yung notification na nag-unsent ako or kung ano yung in-unsent ko na message. And you are going to click this notification history again. And you're done. Around 11:46 a.m. I chatted hi, which is yun yung in-unsent natin kanina. That notification came from Messenger Lite kasi doon naka-login yung kanyang account. So that would be all and I hope you like this video. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook and also please subscribe to my channel on YouTube and also please do like this video and share this video also. Thank you so much and God bless you all.